Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS creative ball animation. Now you can see the balls are glowing. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS creative ball animation. Inside the body, we wanted a div with class name circle1. And copy this div, paste it one time. This is circle 2. Next we want to create another div with class name box1. Inside this span, copy this span and paste it one time. Copy this box1 and paste it. We want to change this box to. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Next we want to style our body. Display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 VH, width 100% and background color is #262626 FF. Save the file. Refresh. The background color is changed. Next we want to style our class circle1. Inside this display block, position is absolute, left will be 35%, height 300 pixel and width is also 300 pixel, border 50 pixel, solid and color is black, and we wanted border radius that will be 50%. Copy this and paste it one time. We want to change this circle to, and left will be 45%. Save the file. Refresh. Now the two circles are visible. Let's start to style our class box1. Inside this display block, position is absolute, left 35% and height 50 pixel, width 300 pixel, and we wanted animation name is anim, 2 seconds, linear and infinity. Copy this box1 and paste it one time. We want to change this box to, and left will be 45% and animation delay is 0.5 seconds. Let's start to style our span. Inside this display block, position is absolute, height 50 pixel and width is also 50 pixel and border radius is 50%. Next we want to style our span nthchild 1. Inside this top will be 0%, left is also 0 and background linear gradient 45-degree coral and yellow. Next we wanted box shadow that was 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color is yellow. Let's copy this line and paste it one time. Let's copy this and paste it one time. We want to change this nthchild to, and left will be right and this is lime green, select these colors and we want to change this line. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the balls are glowing. Let's start to create our animation. Keyframes and animation name anim. Inside this 100% transform rotate 360 degree and filter hue rotate, that will be 360 degree. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the creative animation effect is working smoothly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.